Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a WordPress website and want to stay instantly updated whenever someone subscribes, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get notifications from your website subscribers in WordPress. Step by step, fast, and foolproof. By the end of this video, you'll know how to receive, view, and manage subscriber notifications efficiently so you never miss a single follower again. Let's get started. Log in to your WordPress website. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your WordPress website. At the top right corner of your homepage, you'll see a login or sign in link. Go ahead and click that. Now, instead of manually entering your credentials every time, select Continue with Google. This not only makes logging in super quick, but it also adds an extra layer of security by using Google's verified authentication. Choose the correct Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in on your browser, make sure you pick the one that's linked to your WordPress site. Choosing the right account ensures you're logging into the correct website dashboard and that your notifications show up where they're supposed to. Access the notification center. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your WordPress dashboard. You'll notice a bell icon. This is your notification center. Click on it and you'll immediately see all your recent alerts. Here, you'll find messages about new subscribers, comments, and other important site updates all in one place. View and manage subscriber notifications. Now, to focus on your subscribers, click the Subscribers tab within the notification panel. This section displays a clean, organized list of all your new signups and their messages. You can easily track who subscribed, when they joined, and even view messages or feedback they've sent. This helps you stay connected and engage with your audience right away, whether it's to send a welcome email, reply to their message, or simply keep an eye on your growing community. And that's it. You've just learned how to get and manage notifications from your website subscribers in WordPress, the easy way. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.